Good afternoon, my name is Max. I'm a master technician here at Perry's. Today I will show you how to change a brake light bulb on a 2012 Corsa D. Okay, we have a 2012 Vauxhall Corsa D, of which we want to change this brake light bulb just here. To do this we have to gain access from the inside, so unlock the vehicle, open the boot. This access panel here, which we want to remove, so one finger in the hole, a short sharp tug, and then we are in. From the inside of the boot now, you can see these two lugs, of which you need to undo in an anti-clockwise direction, starting with the top one. Be careful not to drop them. And the lower one. And also one connector for the lamp unit. Just pinch the top and pull the bottom, like that. So to remove the light unit, place two hands on the unit, so you don't want to drop it on the floor. Just give it a small little tug and a wiggle. Unit is now safely removed from the car. Lay it face down in the boot if you like. To gain access to the bulb holder, there's three clips, one here, and one here. Simply pry back the clip and lift the holder on one, on number two, and lastly number three. Remove the bulb holder to gain access to your bulb. This is the failed bulb. A small twist to release. The bulb is free, ready for replacement.